Take a look at these logos. They were all created in minutes using AI. And it's not just logos. You can also create business cards, websites, and even social media posts from the same platform. This is Design.com, an all-in-one AI graphic design platform, and in this video, I'll show you how to use it to create professional designs for your business. You'll find all the links to access the tool in the description below. Once you've signed in, simply describe what you want to create. In this example, I wanted to design a logo for my business, so I selected Logo, entered my business name, and wrote a prompt. You can also add a few keywords to guide the AI toward a specific style. If you're not sure what you're looking for, you can leave them out and let the AI generate a wider variety of designs for you to explore. When you're ready, press Enter. Within a second or two, the AI will generate a large collection of logo ideas for you to browse. In my case, it picked up on the business name and created several blacksmith-inspired designs. Once you've found one you like, simply select it to open the editor. The editing interface is straightforward and easy to use. I started by adjusting the colors and trying a few animation options to see which style worked best. You can also add icons, shapes, or other design elements to customize your logo further. If you'd rather let the AI handle the edits, there's a built-in option for that as well. I asked it to remove the circle around the anvil because I preferred a cleaner look, then slightly reduced the size of the anvil to make the overall design feel more balanced. At this point, the logo looks good to go. After that, you'll see a page where you can either continue editing your logo or access your downloaded files. Once you've downloaded it, come back to the main dashboard. With the logo finished, it's time to design a business card. Click Create New Design at the top of the page. This will open a page with designs based on your logo, including business cards, social media posts, and other branding materials. For the business card, you can either choose one of the suggested designs here or scroll down to the dedicated business card section and click See All to browse every option generated for your brand. I wanted something clean and simple without too many extra design elements, so I went with this one. If you don't find the right design right away, you can always browse more templates from within the editor. Once you open the editor, you can start filling in your business information. I'll use some sample details here, including the business name, email address, phone number, and address. There's also a field for your website, but since we haven't created one yet, I'll leave that as an example for now. The front of the card already looked good, but I wanted a different design for the back. After trying a few options, I found one that matched the front much better. Feel free to browse through the available templates until you find a combination you're happy with, then make any final adjustments using the editing tools. When everything looks right, click Download and choose the file format you need. With the business card finished, let's move on to creating a website. Go back to the Create New Design page by clicking your profile and selecting Create New Design. Your logo will already be selected automatically, although you can change it if needed. Scroll down to the website section and either click See All or browse through the suggested designs. I liked this one, so I selected it to open the website editor. From here, you can preview the website in both desktop and mobile view. Scroll through the pages, edit any text or images, and switch to a different template if you find one you prefer. The one I picked already looked good, so I only made a few small adjustments. When you're finished, click Publish. You'll be asked to choose a free website address. Enter your business name, click Publish, and your website will be live. You'll also get a link that you can open and share. With the website finished, the next step is to create a social media post. Go back to the Create New Design page and choose the platform you want to design for, such as Facebook or Instagram. I chose Facebook Post, then clicked See All to browse the generated designs. There were plenty of options, but I found a better one in the template library, so I switched to that instead. It worked well as a post announcing a new product or service. I only changed the text to match my business and replaced the contact details with my website so people can visit it directly. Since the design already looked good, there wasn't much else to edit. When you're ready, click Download and choose your preferred file format. If you're downloading it as an MP4, you can add animations before exporting. I kept mine as a PDF, so I selected the format and clicked Download. And that's it. We've created a logo, a business card, a website, and a social media post, all from the same platform. Overall, if you're starting a business and need branding and marketing materials in one place, Design.com is the way to go. So check it out using the link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, watch this video next.